OSPF for CCNA, regarding CCNA, is a very important topic. Open shut of pass first. This is a very important and much used routing protocol in throughout the world. What are the objectives? Explain the process by which the link state routers learn about the networks and so on. So what are the feature? OSPF feature and component. Routing protocol, it's a dynamic routing protocol. It's a IGP. So as you know, most likely in the routing protocol, these are the two terms we know. IGP, EGP, distance vector link state and hybrid routing protocol. We can know the distance vectors are RIP and EIGRP. Link state, OSPF, this is what we are talking about, and ISIS. These are the two routing protocols. In the exam question, if somebody asks you the true link state routing protocol, then these are the only two link state routing protocol. Okay, the EIGRP is also link state, but it's a hybrid, which means that it is also belong to distance vector as well. Okay, BGP is a path vector. So how the evolution happened? OSPF routing protocol, it's interior route gateway routing protocol, link state protocol, OSPF version 1 released in 1989 for IPv4, version 2 released in 1998, and OSPF version 3 released in 2008 for IPv6 actually. OSPF features, number 1, very efficient, fast convergence, stable. Fast convergence means as soon as you get the update, you shoot that information straight away. Stable, secure, and of course classless. Anybody know what is mean by classless? So basically it's give you the default subnet mask information rather than the actual subnet mask information. Okay, let's move on. So component point of view, similar like EIGRP, it also build the neighbor table, list of all the neighbor routers. The table is unique to each router. Show IP OSPF neighbor. This is the command to verify the OSPF connectivity with the neighbors. Link state database topology table, list of all the router in the networks. Similarly, like a map on the Google, show the entire topology, which network is down, up, bandwidth, and all those things. All router within an area have the identical LSDB. Show IP OSPF database. This is the command we verify. Like show IP EIGRP topology table. Show IP EIGRP topology shows you the topology table. Show IP OSPF database, it shows you the database table or the topology table. Okay. Then forwarding table, based on the topology table and neighbor table, we build our best route. Show IP route actually does that for you. So basically 3 table: adjacency table, which is called normally novel table, neighbor table, link state database called topology table, and forwarding table called routing table.